Hey peoples, welcome back to my channel. I have always wanted to do that shit. Okay, so today we are going to be cooking with Bruce. We are going to be cooking with Bruce. We are about to get a loose and we're about to eat and drink some booze. No, we're not gonna drink some booze, bitch. I'm literally 17. I'm not gonna do that. But we're going to be making an egg in a hole. So if you don't know what an egg in a hole is, an egg in a hole is when you I think it's like a British thing where they cut the bread in the middle and then put egg. That's it. It's just that simple. So that's what we're gonna do today. And if you know what we do in this channel, bitch, this is a new outlet. I'm like over here all over the place. But anyway, you know what we do in this channel, honey. Start the music. So, as y'all can see right now, is everything okay? Everything positioned? Okay, it's cool. I got my honey wheat bread because, bitch, we don't eat white bread in this house. We don't want to clog our arteries. Well, after what I'm about to eat, I'm about to clog all my arteries, so it doesn't really matter. But still, we don't want to clog our arteries more. And I have some butter right here and some eggs. Oh yeah, it's a whole thing of eggs. And we're gonna get to cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, if y'all can't see me, it's okay. Just y'all just here for the food. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut off a slice of bread. I mean a slice of butter, bitch. Put it in there. So I've been letting this preheat on like 5 on her. The element of 5, because I'm gonna put another slice of butter because girl, we gotta let the whole pan be doused with butter. And as this dissolves, yes, I'm swirling it around, girl. You see it? I'm just swirling it around up in there. I want the whole entire thing to be covered. You see? Just be covered in butter. So the next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna have 3 egg in the hole today because I'm feeling very fat and hungry. So this is the thing. This is what makes an egg in the hole, bitch. This is how we make an egg in the hole. We're gonna cut this. You see this right here? We're gonna cut the middle part of this and make a big square. Well, not a big square, not too big, because we gotta put the egg in there somehow. Make it just like that. You see that? Oh yes. And girl, you can put this in the butter and just have a little snack, or you can just eat like it. Bitches, that's how I eat it. And I'm just gonna cut the rest of these, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, girl, I got all 3 of them cut. You see? And yes, I washed my hands, you fucking cunts. I feel like some of y'all just judging me. And so, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the fucking slice of bread inside of her. Just lay it up in there. Just let it lay up in there. And then we're gonna get out the egg. Oh, this is a big ass egg. Anyway, we're gonna get out the egg. We're gonna crack it. And we're gonna put it right up in there. Just like that. And let me show you how I did it. So this is how it look in the pan. It's just sitting in there simmering. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get like some what do you call this? Oh yeah, some seasoning salt. Some seasoning salt right here. You see it? Seasoning salt by Morton. And we're gonna get some pepper. Well, I'm gonna get some chopped red pepper, because why not? And some black pepper, because I like my stuff spicy a little bit. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So as we let this simmer and do its thing, girl, we just gonna put the seasoning on there. Not too much, but we just want to put a little. Girl, as I say, not too much. I'm just spending a whole lot. And girl, just do what you want. You don't have to put seasoning on if you want to be bland. I don't care what you do with your seasoning. With the pepper. I don't have a lot of pepper in this. Where's the other one at? here it goes. Put a little pepper in that. Ooh, bitch, excuse me. All that bread just getting taped. And then now this. We're gonna let this simmer and wait till the back of it gets a little brown. Now where is my yeah, I'm gonna see if it turns out, because this stuff only takes like 2 minutes. So like, bitch, if you getting up in the morning and you want to just make something real fast, bitch, make an egg in the hole. Cause that's sometimes what I do. I get up in the morning, make me an egg in the hole, and probably a little sausage when I have some sausage. And just roll with it, girl. Just go down the street, walk down the street on the bus, and just go. And my preference on egg in the holes, I like at least one of my egg in the holes to be like the egg to be a little runny, because I'm a fool and I'm crazy. And yeah. So if we see right here, see it's like a little brown. I don't want it too brown, but I am gonna flip it right back over to get a little bit dark, because you see it got a little like light and stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna just let that do that, and we're gonna put some seasoning on the back of it, because you know we don't want just one side of the bread to be seasoned. So I'm just gonna put just seasonal salt on the back, not too much though. And as this is going, I'm gonna get my tea together, because girl, I got me a whole shit. I got a whole mason jar of water inside of this, so I'm just gonna like warm this up so I can get my tea together. I'm gonna put it on 5. Tea that I'm gonna be using is this peach tea right here. You see that? See that peach tea? Oh yeah, she's gonna be good. This is so awkward for me to do. I can't even deal. Girl, if y'all, by the time y'all watch this video, y'all gonna already be having 2 other videos up. Another video that I'm gonna be having up is this Florence and the Machine video. I really love Florence and the Machine. It's a song called Hunger. I'm gonna put it up here in the eye. It's either over here or over here somewhere, but I'm gonna put it over there in the eye, so y'all can go in ahead and go watch it. And then before that, there's another video of me reacting to Troye Sivan's new song called Bloom. Personally, bitch, I have been getting into it, and I'm just like, I don't know, bitch, I don't know. It's good, it's a good song, but I don't know if I like it. So yeah. By the time y'all see this video, it's gonna probably be up on Monday. That means today. It's a little cold. It's a little cold. I'm hot. I'm so hot, girl. When you cook in the kitchen, it just gets so hot. Ooh. I probably gotta put some more butter in here. So when you're when an egg in the hole or whatever, put a little bit more butter in there, because it just soaks up. It just soaks up on the other side that you just cooked all the time. Ooh, let me just spread it around a little bit. Okay, so bitch, I have been watching this new Netflix show called Lost in Space, and let me tell y'all something. If y'all have not went and gone onto your TV and watched Lost in Space, y'all need to go watch Lost in Space, because it's really good. It's about them being basically lost in space, but they're also on this other planet, like this other planet that we don't know about on Earth people. And it's kind of like going in the future or whatever. I'm not going to try to tell you, but bitch, it's really good. You got to get into it. It's really good. I highly recommend it. I also recommend this other movie called Wrecked. This movie called Wrecked, oh girl, y'all have to get into that too. Wrecked is everything. It's about these 2 little white girls going to Palm Springs, probably going to Coachella or some shit, I don't know. And they get in this what do you call it? They get in this road rage with this man or something like that. So girl, it gets crazy and stuff like that. Girl, all the time the phone is always ringing around here. Who want it? Who is it? don't know who that is. But I'm gonna make the rest of these egg in the holes, and I'll see y'all afterwards. Okay? Yeah, okay. So my food is ready, and you know, girl, I got my tea right here. I know it looks crazy because I put like some cream in there and sugar and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna put that over here. I got my syrup because bitch, I like to douse this with, well, not douse, I like to put a little syrup on there, and also a little cheese. I know that's kind of weird. Look, I'm a very sweet and savory kind of person, so I like sweet and savory. So bitch, I'm gonna show you the little egg in the holes. So this is my egg in the hole. Yes girl, yes girl. I'm about to get into this. It's right here, just beautiful, glamorous, everything I live for. A good old drink right there. And I get the butter flavored syrup, of course. So yeah, bitch, I'm about to get into this. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm gonna get strictly into this. I'm gonna go get my tablet too so I can watch me some YouTube videos. I'm about to go get this the cheese too. And I hope y'all liked this video. I'm not today. It's not mukbang. It's not mukbang today. Just showing you what I'm cooking and what I got done. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Oh my god, I'm like, maybe I give y'all a little something, girl. I just look at that. It's so good. This is so good. And I can't even deal. Oh, I'm done. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to be yourself, no one else. And also, if you want to request something that's easy, bitch. I'm not like a cook. If you want to know how to make scrambled eggs, or like how to make sausage, or like something, I don't know, something that's easy for y'all, comment down below. Tell me what you want me to make. I can probably get it. I don't know. If I don't get it, then sorry. Oh yeah, bitch. Ooh, I keep on forgetting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the things, honey. Share my video if you love me for real. Okay, girl, I'm gone. Girl, I gotta get eat this food. I'm getting hyper. Bye, y'all.